What's up, family? Today I'm going to be cooking a little bit of curry chicken with some white rice, Jamaican curry powder. This thing is very strong, so just a little bit. I don't like to put a lot of seasoning, guys, so all right, some black pepper, of course. All right, garlic. Garlic is very strong, so a little bit. Some onion powder, a little bit. Okay. So now I don't put no salt, but I'll put. Love this thing. A little slap your mama. Just a little bit, guys. This is gonna marinate. All right. So next thing I'm gonna put is my diced up onions. All right. Thyme. Spring onion, all this scallion, all right, and ginger. All right, so you're gonna get the seasoning all up in there. The reason why I'm using a spoon because this curry goes on your hands, man, and makes it fingernails yellow. All right, so this is what I'm doing, guys. Later on, you could always put some little salt if you want. All right. So we're gonna get on. We're gonna let this thing sit down for an hour. All right. All right. Nice and marinate. Let it sit down for an hour. Then we're gonna hot our oil, put some curry in the oil, and then we'll do our thing. All right, so stay tuned, guys. After an hour, be right back. So guys, we got it going. This thing is nice and hot. Going with just a little bit of oil. That's it. Once you go with your oil, so guys, now my oil is hot. I'm going with some peppercorn. All right. I go in with a little bit of extra coconut oil, just like this for flavor. Let that melt. Then we're gonna add our curry. Gotta burn that curry, guys. Gotta burn that curry, man. Oil is hot. A little bit of curry. That's it. All right. Beautiful. So at this point, guys, we're gonna go in with our chicken. All right. We're gonna put this to medium to low heat, and we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes or so. No water, just like that. Low to medium heat for about 10 minutes, then you're gonna check it. And if it needs a little bit of water, you add it to it at that point, all right? So, stay tuned. Yeah, family, it's in about 15 minutes. Okay, see? You don't have to put water in there. But, see? Perfectly cooking. But at this point, I'll just throw maybe just a little bit. The key is, guys, just put it on low. Low fire, you're good to go, man. Low flames, and you can go multitask. All right? Another 15 minutes under the low flame. It's good. Got some rice going over here. Beautiful. Alright guys, so nice and easy. Drinking my morning tea. What time is it now? 6 o'clock in the morning. Cooking me my dinner and my lunch. You know how that goes. Alright guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to Max Vibes Kitchen. So guys, this is the finished product. White rice with some curry chicken. What time is it now? It's early in the morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Alright, just a little bit for breakfast. Alright, so here we go. Man, you could taste the butter in the rice. See guys, very flaky. You know, eat the tomato soup, peppercorn. Let's taste the chicken. Yeah, and I'm eating with a spoon. Very, very, very delicious, guys. You could taste the seasoning. Oh my god. I'm honestly not saying it because I cooked it. Curry chicken is just so simple and easy to make. Guys, if I could do it, you could do it. It's very delicious. Good, healthy food. When you eat a proper breakfast, I tell you, your days are so much more productive because you don't get a hungry feeling. And you know what I mean? You got good solid food in your stomach. Take you throughout the day. I don't even need lunch. Alright guys, so thank you for hanging out with me. Let me cook breakfast. I hope we both learned something today. Alright? If you like this type of content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you. Support me. I need you. Thank you. Honestly, if I knew where you were, I would send you some. I'll bring you some. Thanks guys. Bye bye. Deuce.